Hey, hello everybody. Let me quickly introduce you to the new thing that Everruns have now. So basically, right now we have SDK that allows you to build client applications against Everruns Server that run somewhere else. Located at Everruns SDK, it already have packages for Rust, have packages for Python, for TypeScript. I will show one for Rust, but TypeScript and Python packages are literally the same. So how to use it? First thing first, I need running server, running Everruns server. So like I'm right now in Everruns repository. So kind of like just example. I will start example server without authentication or anything else, but like other things will also work. Okay, so let's wait a little bit. Now we have Everruns running. Let's see user interface. Just for the record, this kind of Everruns is literally headless. So this user interface is more like your administrative UI where you can review stats and stuff like that. But it's not important here. Anyway, there are a couple of agents, sessions, and stuff like this. Now let's see how to use it, how to use SDK. So let me open SDK. And like in SDK, there is cookbook folder, and in cookbook folder there are examples of how to use SDK. SDK located some kind of like here, but how to use it is located in cookbook with readme file. Again, all cookbooks are the same and like showcase very kind of like most simple, probably not most exciting thing, but demonstrate how it works. So first and first, you create client. So here is you are creating client from environment variables. There are a couple of them are needed, like URI, where a server is located, and API key. Then you create your agent. Effectively, it's not always kind of like in most cases you will not need to create agents. In most cases you will pre-create your agent on Everruns, and then you will just use this agent. So agent here is more like a harness, like with system prompt capabilities, like file system or whatever. But here, for the example, we are creating agent. You can think like we are creating harness on the server side. And then you are creating session. So session is effectively where agent start working. Agent, or kind of like multiple agents start working. This one creates and start your session, and then you send a message. Again, right now it's just textual message, but it could be structured or anything else. And at this moment, it's already start executing on the server side, like doing agentic loop and other things. And next thing that all of SDKs are doing is you are listening for events. Everruns is designed for agents that will run days, weeks, or something. So, like, first of all, there are a couple of ways of retrieving current state, current events, last events, and stuff like that. But you also can listen for last changes. And so here is one way where you use events API, and with this API, it will effectively do server-side events like HTTP call and get different events. I'm not listening to all events, but things that I want to show here is like input message. This is literally things that was input and would be other potential inputs, and output message when it's completed. There are also streaming support, so like there is delta and stuff like that. I'm not showing it here. Here only completed is imported for us, and turn completed and turn failed. It's like kind of like when in the session there is completed some work. Not really really important here, because we can listen forever. Kind of idea of Everruns that agents will run forever without final completion. But turn completed means that work is done. So kind of like agent did whatever it was supposed to do. Okay, so that's effectively it. Let me now run it. So let me run it. Here how to run it. I am already in Rust folder here. So like I need kind of like when it hosted somewhere, it will require API key. When it run locally, any API key will work. So like in my case, it would be fake API key. And there is a need of Everruns API URI again for this SDK to understand where Everruns live. And so like cargo run is like just a way to run things in Rust. And like you can see, like it created agent. The ones that I shown, it created session, and it sends tell that joke. Sorry, kind of like I didn't had a better example. And output, this is output. What is important here is that like it runs on the server side. So like effectively you will be able to see the same scene on the server side, with all work progress, with tool calls, with context management, with syncing, and all this stuff. So like everything will be mirrored on both side, and everything would be run on the server on the server inside considerably durable and considerably scalable agent so for example here so this is exactly the turn that we run. So like on one of three workers in this setup. I have 3 workers, but again we are ready, kind of like Everruns ready to have much more durable workers. That's effectively it. Kind of like enjoy. Let me know if you need any features or something. Thank you.